Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 English grammar, chapter 6 noun case. So let us start. First is your nominative case. A noun is said to be the nominative case if it is the subject of a verb. Subject here is the person or the thing who or which carries out the action of the verb in the sentence. So nominative case क्या है देखो, when a noun is used as a subject of the subject of a verb. हो गया. तो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं ये. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Rimsa Gupta is an intelligent girl. So here Rimsa Gupta is a proper noun in nominative case. Second, the sculptor sculpt the statue. So the sculptor is a common noun in nominative case. Okay. Then second is the objective or accusative case. So, nouns are said to be in objective case if they are direct object of verbs or if they are the object of preposition. Preposition. Direct object is the person or the thing upon whom or upon which the action of the verb is carried out. So, what is objective case? In which nouns are the direct object of the verb. When the noun used as the direct object of the verb, then we call it as objective case. For example, I met your father. So your father here is in objective case. Second, the seller sells onions. Onions is in objective case. Next is our possessive case. A noun is said to be in possessive case if it denotes possession or ownership. A noun or pronoun in the possessive case is governed by the noun that follow it. So, what is possessive case? It shows the relation of a noun with the other noun in the sentence. Okay? एक नाउन दूसरे नाउन के पर अधिकार, जो पोजीशन, अधिकार, ओनरशिप दिखाता है, तो हम उसे पोजेसिव केस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अमृताज हैंडबैग इज ऑन द चेयर. अमृताज हैंडबैग मीन्स द बैग पोजेस बाय अमृता. अमृता का हैंडबैग है. सेकेंड, द डॉग बाइट द कैट्स पॉ. So the cat's paw means the paw belonging to the cat. Okay. Then we'll learn how to form the possessive case. To form the possessive, add apostrophe s to the noun. If the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. So, यहाँ पे दिया गया है, when we form the possessive, we just we add apostrophe s, and when the noun is plural, means it ends with n, s, then only apostrophe we will add to it. Okay. For example, the car of John become John's car. The room of the girl means the girl's room. Next, question number A. Write down the possessive of the phrases given below. First number, the collar of the dog. Answer is the dog's collar. Second, the office of the manager. Answer is the manager's office. Third, the neighbors of my nephew. Answer is my nephew's neighbors. Fourth, the shop of the old man. Answer is the old man's shop. 5. The feathers of the pigeon. Answer is the pigeon's feather. 6. The hut in which the plumber lives. Answer is the plumber's hut. 7. The poem written by Keats. Answer, Keats' poem. 8. The armlet belonging to her mother. Answer is her mother's armlet. The 9. The church named after Sir Becket. Answer is Sir Becket's church. 10. Absence for 2 months. Answer is 2 months absence. And 11. Size of the kurta. Answer is kurta's size. Number 12. The press release issued by the Prime Minister. Answer is Prime Minister's press release. 13. The beliefs expressed by the priest. Answer is the priest's belief. 14. The music played by Krishna. Answer is Krishna's music. 15. The clothes owned by Amita. Answer is Amita's clothes. Okay. Then our second B number, rewrite the following sentence by the use of possessive form. So, first number, this is the assignment of Anubhav. So, answer is Anubhav's assignment. ओके, ये जो सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है इसको तुमको पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट हो गया. सेकंड का है द शर्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज ग्रीन. सो आंसर इज द शर्ट द चाइल्ड्स शर्ट इज ग्रीन. थर्ड, द विंग्स ऑफ दैट बर्ड आर स्नो वाइट इन कलर. आंसर इज द बर्ड wings are snow white in colors. Number 4, this is hat of Amrita. Answer is Amrita's hat. 5, the toy of the child is noisy. Answer is the child's toy is noisy. 6, the book report of my cousin is superb. Answer is my cousin's book report is superb. 7, the stable of horse is clean now. Answer is horse's stable is clean. 8, the school uniform of Meera need to be washed. Answer is Meera's school uniform needs to be washed. 9, the rattle of baby is pink in color. Answer is the baby's rattle is pink in color. Next, number C, rewrite the given expression in their plural form. So यहाँ पे दिया गया है जो उसको हमको plural form में convert करना है. तो first, my aunt's mansion. So इसको plural में अगर हम convert करेंगे तो क्या होगा? My aunt's, s के बाद apostrophe होगा, फिर mansion. ओके. सेकेंड, द किंग्स पैलेसेस. आंसर इज द किंग्स पैलेस. थर्ड, ए मैन्स वर्ड्स. आंसर इज ए मैन्स वर्ड्स. एस के बाद तुम लोग को एपोस्ट्रोफी देना है. 4, द बुल्स हॉर्न. द बुल्स हॉर्न. 5, लेडीज क्लॉथेस. आंसर इज लेडीज क्लॉथेस. 6, द सोल्जर्स वेपन. आंसर इज द सोल्जर्स, एस के बाद एपोस्ट्रोफी फिर वेपन्स. 7, द बेबीज टॉय. आंसर इज द बेबीज टॉयज. नंबर 8, द हॉर्सेस सैडल्स. आंसर इज द हॉर्सेस सैडल्स. 9, वुमेन्स कॉलेज. Write down its answer is women's college. So students, we complete our chapter number 6, noun case.